show you how to upload a video to your YouTube channel. This is assuming that you've either taken the video with your phone, or you've taken the video with a different video camera, or even that you've done a screencast and downloaded it from Loom or something like that. But however the situation that got you here is, you have a video file. It lives either in your Google Drive if you're on a Chromebook, or you may have it on your computer if you're on a Mac or a PC. So here's how you get that into your YouTube channel. So whether you're on your channel page or just on the home YouTube page, anywhere in YouTube, you will see this camera icon up here at the top. It's a little camera with a plus on it. When you click that, you get two options. We're going to do upload video. When this box pops up, if you are on a Chromebook, you can click select files and it will bring up a dialog box that will allow you to search your Google Drive. So that way you don't really even have to download the video. You can upload it straight from Drive to YouTube. Now, I'm on a Mac and you may be on a PC. It'll work the same way. You can do select files and get a file dialog box, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is just have the folder with the video open somewhere else and then just drag it like this and drop it. So that's immediately going to begin uploading. It will take you to this screen where you can put in your title and a description, which is always important. But you'll notice this is already done. It's already uploaded this because I have a fast internet connection here, and it was a very small video. And now it's processing it. So that means it's uploaded to YouTube, but it's not quite done yet because we haven't finished this process and it hasn't processed the video itself. Now, we've done our test video is our title. We've done our description. We're going to come back to thumbnail in a minute. We can put it on a playlist, and it's important to realize that you can put it on 2 playlists or more. Done. The audience part is about whether you are complying with Children's Online Protection Act. And also it helps YouTube comply with it. So if this is just made for kids, you can check that box. If it's made for kids or anybody else, you can check this box. But keep in mind, if you do check the yes, it's made for kids only, then that video can't be put in playlists, which limits you a little bit. So I'm actually going to, for this one, since it's for you guys, say, no, it's not made for kids. And then I'm going to hit next. We don't want to bother with any of these things. Subtitles and cards are a thing that you can do, but we're going to ignore those for now because this is basic. The checks is something that you don't really have to worry about. It's going to check for problems with the video. And then finally, visibility. Remember, if you don't want anybody except for the people you select and share it with to watch it, you click private. You can also choose to share it with individuals right then. If you want anybody to be able to see it, you put public. This is probably what the majority of your videos will be. And if you just want people who have the link, like if you give them the link, they can watch it, then you click unlisted. I'm going to make this one public. You can make it live right now, or you can schedule a date for it to go public. Well, usually you're not going to do that. And then finally, you're going to hit publish. Now at this point, it's done processing. You may sometimes get a screen that says, hey, the video is still uploading, leave this tab open. But if it gives you this screen, you're done. If you click the copy button here, it'll go ahead and copy a link to that video. And that's pretty much it. Now, one more thing I want to show you. Do you remember the thumbnail that it talked about? So by default, it picks a thumbnail. That's the picture that people see. You can go back in there by hitting the pencil. And you'll notice now that it's done processing, it gives me a couple different thumbnails it could pick, but they're all just me. Let's say I had a title prepared. I made something fancy, or I made something in Canva perhaps, or even in Google Drawings. If I had that file somewhere like right here, I could actually take that picture and drop it on upload thumbnail. And now that would become the thumbnail for my video. So that's a good thing to think about, is to come up with some simple title slides that you can use to make thumbnails for your videos. When I'm done, I click save, and that video is finished. And if I click the arrow here, I can see it listed in channel content, and it will be ready so that if I click on it, I can watch it on YouTube. This is a test video to upload. And that's it.